How to reset Linksys dual-band AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 Easy Mesh router. Find the Reset button. Look for the small Reset button on the back or bottom of the router. Ensure the router is on. Verify that the router is powered on and connected to an electrical outlet. Prepare a tool. Get a small object like a paperclip to press the Reset button. Press the Reset button. Insert the tool and press the Reset button firmly. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds, keep the button pressed until the router lights flash or change. Release the button, let go of the Reset button and wait for the router to reboot. Check the router lights. Observe the lights stabilizing to indicate the process is complete. Reconfigure your router. Access the setup page. Default IP is 192.168.1.1, and input your network settings.